Welcome to another exciting episode of Site Reliability Engineering Crashcasts. I'm your host, Sheila, and today we're diving into the world of automation in SRE. Joining me is our expert, Victor. Are you ready to explore how automation can revolutionize SRE practices, Victor?
Absolutely, Sheila. I'm excited to share insights on this crucial aspect of modern SRE.
Great! Before we begin, listeners should have a basic understanding of SRE principles and general IT operations. Today, we'll cover the leveraging of automation in SRE, from handling repetitive tasks to creating self-healing systems, along with best practices and potential pitfalls. Now, let's kick things off with a quiz question. How much can proper automation reduce mean time to repair, MTTR, in incident management?
That's an intriguing question, Sheila. It really makes you think about the impact of automation on incident response. MTTR is a critical metric in SRE, measuring how quickly we can resolve issues. The reduction could be significant, but it likely varies depending on the complexity of the systems and the effectiveness of the automation implemented.
Exactly, Victor. We'll reveal the answer later in the episode. Now let's dive into our main topic. Could you explain what we mean by automation in the context of SRE?
Certainly. In SRE, automation refers to the process of using technology to perform tasks with minimal human intervention. This can range from simple scripts that automate repetitive tasks to complex systems that can make decisions and take actions on their own. The goal is to improve efficiency, reduce human error, and free up engineers to focus on more strategic work.
That makes sense. So, it's like creating a well-oiled machine that can handle routine operations on its own. What kinds of tasks are typically automated in SRE?
Great analogy, Sheila. Common tasks automated in SRE include monitoring and alerting, incident response, configuration management, and deployment processes. For instance, instead of manually checking system metrics, we can set up automated monitoring that alerts us when something goes wrong.
I see. So automation can handle the routine checks, allowing SREs to focus on more complex issues. How does this tie into the concept of self-healing systems?
Self-healing systems take automation a step further. They're designed to automatically detect and correct issues without human intervention. For example, if a server becomes unresponsive, a self-healing system might automatically restart it or redirect traffic to a healthy server.
That sounds incredibly useful. But I imagine implementing such systems isn't without challenges. What are some best practices for leveraging automation in SRE?
You're right, it does come with challenges. Some best practices include: Point 1. Start small and iterate. Don't try to automate everything at once. Point 2. Document everything. Ensure your automation is well documented for maintainability. Point 3. Use version control. Treat your automation scripts like any other code. Point 4. Test thoroughly. Automated systems need robust testing to ensure they work as expected. Point 5. Monitor your automation. Just because it's automated doesn't mean it doesn't need oversight.
Those are great points, Victor. It sounds like automation itself needs careful management. Are there any potential pitfalls our listeners should be aware of?
Absolutely, Sheila. Some common pitfalls include: Point 1. Over-automation. Trying to automate everything can lead to complex, hard-to-maintain systems. Point 2. Lack of human oversight. Automated systems can make mistakes, so human monitoring is still crucial. Point 3. Neglecting edge cases. Automation might work for 99% of cases, but that 1% can cause significant issues if not handled properly. Point 4. Skills gap. As we automate more, there's a risk of losing the skills to perform tasks manually when needed.
Those are important considerations. It seems like finding the right balance is key. Can you share a real-world example of successful automation in SRE?
Certainly. Netflix is renowned for its chaos engineering practices, which heavily rely on automation. They created a tool called Chaos Monkey that automatically and randomly terminates instances in production to ensure their systems can withstand unexpected disruptions. This automated approach has significantly improved their system resilience.
That's fascinating. It's like they're constantly testing their system's ability to self-heal. Now, before we wrap up, let's reveal the answer to our quiz question. Victor, how much can proper automation reduce mean time to repair in incident management?
Great question. According to a study by PagerDuty, organizations with mature automation practices can reduce their MTTR by up to 70%. That's a significant improvement in incident response time.
Wow, that's impressive. To summarize our main points, point 1. Automation in SRE ranges from simple task automation to complex self-healing systems. Point 2. It can significantly improve efficiency and reduce human error. Point 3. Best practices include starting small, documenting well, and continuous testing. Point 4. Potential pitfalls include over-automation and neglecting human oversight. Point 5. Real-world implementations like Netflix's Chaos Monkey show the power of automation in improving system resilience. Thank you, Victor, for these insights. Listeners, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Site Reliability Engineering Crashcasts and leave us a rating. Your support helps us continue providing valuable content. Until next time, keep automating responsibly.